So if network marketing companies are so great, how come you never see any celebrities talking about them? You never see any celebrities joining them. Why is that? Well, I'm going to tell you why that is. And I'm also going to tell you why celebrities should join them. What's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, when it comes to network marketing, in the past few years, network marketing, or MLM, has gotten a bad reputation, right? A lot of people are like, yo, network marketing, I don't mess with it, right? If you see somebody talking about network marketing, you run. You're like, I don't want no parts of this, right? Although network marketing opportunities been around for many, many years and continue to, network marketing has gotten a bad rap in the last few years. Now, to be honest with you, there has been some trash ass network marketing opportunities out there, right? But that's with anything, right? In any industry, there's good and there's bad things, right? But one thing that a lot of people would talk about when it came to like network marketing opportunities is, well, how come you never see any celebrities talking about it? Because they must know this is a scam. They must know this isn't legit. How come you never see any celebrities, athletes, actors talking about, hey, I just joined this network marketing opportunity, right? How come that is? Now I'm gonna tell you why that is right now. Because most, if not all, network marketing companies, they get all of their marketing from their members. All right, that's what they base everything on. That's why they call it network marketing. These companies are counting on the average person, like people like me and you, to get the word out about their products or service, right? Because they're looking at it like, we don't have to pay a big celebrity or actor or athlete when we just got a whole bunch of people promoting our products and our opportunity, right? Why that is because most celebrities, they want deals, right? They want endorsement deals. They want to be paid a big chunk of money to talk about anything, right? Or they want to be paid on a regular basis to talk about anything or to be involved with anything. And network marketing companies aren't willing to do that. In most cases, they're not willing to put all this money out there for one celebrity to talk about their company when they could just have a million people, you know, all talking about it amongst each other and doing the recruiting and promotion for the company. Now, why I say celebrities and athletes or whatever, actors, why they should find a good network marketing company or companies, because if they really think about it, and if they really were smart, they about their money, they would realize that they could be killing it in a network marketing opportunity, right? Imagine if you are a, you know, big time athlete, you already got a following, right? You already got, you know, 500,000, 2 million followers on your social media platforms. Imagine, no, you didn't get a big deal from this company or whatever, right? But you just decided to be like, you know what, I'm just going to join as a regular person. I'm going to join this opportunity. And you're going to bring so many people into this company. You're going to be a leader of this company because you're bringing in this huge following. Now, don't forget, when it comes to network marketing, you know, you get paid residuals. You get paid for every person that you bring in. So if you're a celebrity, even if you're like a B-list celebrity or something like that, and all these people, a lot of celebrities who you think making a lot of money, they're not making the money that you think they are, right? That's why everybody be doing like reality shows and OnlyFans and all kinds of stuff. But they don't do network marketing because they can't get an upfront, you know, chunk of money. But imagine if a celebrity with a decent following jumped on, say, Live Good right now. They would be making way more money probably than what they would have got for their upfront endorsement deal of this company, right? So if you're thinking about joining, you know, a network marketing company, you're like, that's whack, that's a scam, it's not even legit. Like, you don't even see celebrities talking about this, man, or you don't see nobody popular talk about it. That's why most celebrities, most athletes, they have agents. They're like, yo, how much am I getting for this deal, right? But if they were to jump on these opportunities, they could be making a lot more money than they would have from their upfront deal. So if you want to check out 2 of the best network marketing opportunities out there right now, you want to watch this video right here, right now. Oh yeah, and if I become a huge celebrity tomorrow, I'm still gonna be rocking with these.